welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can switch to a creator profile, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for Instagram and they're quite easy to follow, so if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the alarm bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Something I have learned is that the creative profile isn't available for everyone. It was in beta testing at one point. I'm not sure whether it's rolled out to everyone yet, but I know I've got access to it, so I'm going to show you how you can switch from your business profile or a personal profile to a creative profile. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram. On another note as well, I didn't get any notification to say that I have access to it. I believe that a lot of content creators or influencers get access to this, so in case again like you're looking at your account and you can't switch. Alright, so you need to go into your settings, so tap onto the three lines on top and then go into your settings and then hit account. From there it will allow you to switch to your personal account, or here switch to a creator account. So this is my first time doing it, so I haven't really tested out or had a look to see what the differences are, but it says here there are flexible profile control, simplified messaging and more growth tools. So I guess depending on the purpose of your channel or depending on the purpose of your account, you know, it may be beneficial for you to switch over. Alright, I'm just gonna hit next. So what am I? I am a digital creator. I don't know, video, I think I saw something here, video creator. I'm just gonna do video creator. And then hit next. And it says profile option. You can hide or show your contact details on your profile. You can change this at any time. I'm just gonna hit done for now. So it says here your creator account is ready, so I'm going to hit OK. From my understanding, the difference between a business and a creator profile is the insights and also the ability to sort of filter or organize your messages and your DM. I've only just switched over, so I don't have anything here to really show you, but I know that now I can link to the Creative Studio on my desktop, and if you guys want me to make a video about it, let me know in the comment section below, because I know that if you have a creative profile, you can go into the Creative Studio and automate your posts from there and without having to use a third-party app. And I guess the downfall about switching over is that if you want to use any third-party apps, the prerequisite will be for you to have a business profile. That's all from me for now, and I will see you on the next one.